In order to be able to utilize the AFL, you must first become a registered user. AFL registration is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Begin by navigating to the AFL website using the link shown on screen. This website contains useful information about the lab, including project submittals, help files and other information related to the function of the AFL. To begin the registration process, click Registration under the User Services tab, on the left of the page. Begin by filling out the AFL account creation form. Specify your name, class designation, expected graduation year, and college you are enrolled in. If you specify the College of Engineering, you will be asked to further specify which school you are enrolled in. After specifying your phone number and 10-digit Purdue ID, you may click Submit. On the next page, you must view and electronically sign an expectations document, the AFL safety contract, and the AFL emergency procedures. You must also pass the short AFL safety quiz. Once each of these items have been completed, you will be able to submit projects and access the AFL. Five categories of projects may be completed in the AFL. These are academic projects, research projects, student organization projects, entrepreneurial projects, and personal projects.
To create a new AFL project, click My Projects under the Projects section on the AFL website. Then, click Submit New Project to create a new project. Begin by naming your project, selecting a project purpose, and providing a requested completion date. Also, select the department for which the project will be completed. A number of other fields must be completed. These will each be discussed in detail.
Next, provide a detailed description of the work that will be performed for the project. It is important to provide sufficient detail during this step, for approval purposes. Then, list all materials that will be used for the project. Select which machines are planned to be used. In order to use a specific machine, you must pass the safety quiz for that machine. You will be able to see which safety quizzes you passed on the page. Finally, attach any drawings you have saved as image files. Also, be sure to submit any CAD files or other associated files as a zip file in the Miscellaneous Files section. Finally, you can list all the registered AFL members that will be working on the project. They will then receive notifications from the system and be able to view the project information. Once you have submitted the project, stop by the AFL for a project consultation. During the consultation you will be provided details on the next steps that must be taken.
"3D printing projects are handled through a separate interface. If you would like to access the 3D printing site, navigate to the AFL homepage, and click the 3D printer request link.
This module has been brought to you by Purdue's Artisan and Fabrication Laboratory. The AFL is located in Armstrong Hall, room B089.